And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is released on the same day as when the White Gundam was also released. We have here from the same line HG Mobile Suit GQuuuuuux from the GQuuuuux anime. We have here the 1/144 MS06S Char's Zaku GQuuuuux version. And yes, of course, even though it's in GQuuuuux, on Atelier Universe, Char is still rocking that red mobile suit, and of course, you can see in the box art that Commander antenna red frame with the Zaku grunt on the background. Right, and off to the side, here it is, Char Zaku, the G-Quax version. Some actions that you can do with it, and of course, the gimmicks. Again, there's the Heat Hawk, the bazooka, and of course, the moving mono eye. And off to the side, here it is, Charles G. Quack's Zaku version. We have the front area, and of course, if you want to have it in a painted state. Opening up and seeing what's inside the box, of course, since this is Char, expect everything from reds to shades of pink. And yes, on the first bag, you see some crimson, some red, and some pink. Next bag, let's guess the colors. No, it's still the same. Some reds, some hot pink there, and of course on the last bag we have some blacks and grays for the inner framings. And I guess we also have seen some sticker sheets there. And yep, we have here the instruction manual. And yes, originally and really this is being piloted by Char until he hijacked the White Gundam and became the pilot of it. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up, we have the A sprue here, a multi-colored sprue. So we have some of that crimson, some of that red, some of that burgundy, and some of that hot pink, all from the armor or for the armor for the Char's Zaku and the commander attendants here, of course. We then have the B sprue, which is all black. So also the boots, the manipulators, some of the inner framings are here. We have the C sprue going back to the all red for the, I think this is for the backpack. Some parts of the armor for Charles Zaku. And then we have the D sprue here, which is all hot pink. E sprue coming right up with all the grays for the weapons. F sprue is back to that burgundy or crimson color. Again, burgundy. The G sprue here, which is all red. And lastly, the H sprue, which is again all red here. And of course, we do have some sticker sheets here for this Gundam here. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 HG Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuux line. We had the Char's Zaku MS06S, which is a different take on how the Zaku is imagined for the GQuuuuux universe. And yes, originally it's piloted by Char, and here it's also still piloted by Char in an alternate timeline. Wherein, yeah, spoilers, if again you have not seen the anime, which is unlikely, Char used that to invade the colony and get a hold of the White Gundam instead of Amaru. Pretty weird timeline, if you ask me. But yep, that's the GQuuuuux, and I do hope that coming next year we do have the what do you call it, the GQuuuuux with the upgrade, I guess. Maybe the second half will be there too with the anime. And this is Victor saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leave a like, give me on the video, share the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.